Are you a woman over 50 looking for a fitness and flexibility program for your age group? Well, then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to share my free 5-day fitness and flexibility fix for women over 50. How's that for some alliteration? In case you don't know me, I'm Janine from Win with Yoga, fitness and flexibility expert for women over 50. And in this jumpstart, you'll learn how to get started on getting rid of the aches and pains of getting older and feeling better than you have in years in just 10 minutes a day. If you talk with women who've done our programs before, you'll find that 10 minutes a day with the right routines and the right coaching can transform your body and your life. This jumpstart includes, of course, your workout videos, a workout calendar, a workout tracker, plus more. I make it really simple to follow, and the tools like we offer in all our programs are essential to support a doable and sustainable routine. Because we all know that's the real secret to getting rid of the aches and pains of getting older and living our best lives, right? Exercise consistency. Who is this 5-day fitness and flexibility fix for? Women over 50 who need to get started on a fitness routine, struggle with staying consistent, or are a fitness or yoga beginner. I know from talking with our customers, literally thousands of women, that finding programs designed for our bodies, our lifestyles, and our goals now is literally one of the biggest problems they had before finding Win with Yoga. I've helped over 9,000 women over 50 take their bodies back, get stronger, more flexible, feel energized, and I would love to help you too. So if this resonates with you, make sure to like this video, and if you're ready to give it a go for yourself, grab my 5-day fitness and flexibility fix for women over 50. It's totally free, and you can get it at fitandflexibleforlife.com/fix. I'll leave that link for you in the description. Look forward to seeing you inside.